It may be fall, but green is springing up all over campus, under your feet and above your head.
We've created this beautiful new green space that the students get to enjoy.
Scott Lupin is the guy who's helping this campus go green.
One of my favorites is the new Washington Quad project. They put in a 10,000-gallon underground tank to collect the stormwater coming off of the roofs of these dormitories, and then installed a computerized drip irrigation system so the tank is watering, automatically watering all the planting beds around the dormitories.
Residential Facilities is taking the green movement to the roof with the campus's first ever green roof. Hundreds of plants are growing on this roof, which gather rainwater and reduce the amount of runoff.
Green roofs act as an insulator, they reduce your energy consumption, and they extend the life of the roof.
But a green campus also means little things, like disposable cups and plates that go a long way in showing Maryland's leadership in the green movement.
The university has set a goal to become a top 10 university, and top 10 universities take a leadership role.
On campus, it's a lesson that's hard to miss.
Maryland really tries to get every student involved in trying to respect the environment.
One of our goals is to try to ensure that all students understand what sustainability is and what it means on a personal level and then in their professional lives.
Planting the seeds for living green that will stick with students for a lifetime. In College Park, I'm John Wist for Maryland Newsline.